you have to prepare for that to uh, to get that opportunity. So today I have for you today we'll discuss some how to prepare yourself for the interview. Okay, so it is the so today we'll go for a interview ride. So what are the things you have to take care for the interview? Yesterday we have discussed about the HR, isn't it? HR interview.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so followed few points I have missed. So first we'll have this, okay, new about this, how to prepare for your first corporate interview. Okay, so this is about to get a success in your interview. What are the things you have to take care so that you will get the success in your interview? So first one is first key to get success in your interview is preparation. Your preparation. So even if you want to enter into Jannah, you need preparation. Good deeds you have to do for entering into Jannah. So for human being, if you want to move from one place to another place, you have to do the preparation that is required. Okay, that is the most important component for moving from one place to another place. Means you are moving towards in an organization. For that you have to prepare yourself, your behavior, your personality, your skill set, everything you have to prepare. So preparation is a key component to a successful interview. Review the information below to learn about the type of interviews we conduct. So this is the example. Suppose how the Accenture company, one of the
Uh,
leading company in
ma'am,
IT industry is Accenture.
ma'am, sorry to interrupt you. You are sharing the screen as well, ma'am. Like
Yes, I'm
we are,
sharing. No, yes, I'm
yeah,
sharing.
we are able to see the screen, ma'am. How to prepare? Acha, okay. No, just now you were reading some text, so I thought you are reading from the slide. No, no.
No,
Yes,
no,
now
I've
it's up.
changed. Yeah, yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Now it's up.
So this is the preparation. Okay, this is how you are going to prepare for an interview to get the to you should get a successful interview. You should go through a successful interview. So one of the leading company in IT industry is Accenture. So suppose you are preparing for any IT company, example here Accenture we are taking. So how you are going to prepare? So let's have a look into this, how you are going to prepare. Preparation is a key component to a successful interview. Review the information below to learn about the type of interviews we conduct at Accenture. So this is the IT company. They will conduct the different types of interviews. So for that, how you are going to prepare yourself. Key preparation steps, the does and don'ts of interviews and steps to take at the end of an interview. Interview types, companies can often use different styles of interviews throughout the interview process. Here is a brief explanation of the three styles of Accenture uses. First type is screening interview. Second is behavioral. Okay, screening means they will suppose they have received 200 resume. They have received 200 resume, so they will screen the resume based. They will screen the resume. So according to the job profile, they will shortlist the candidates and they will call those students only that match with the job profile according to the skill set that matches with the job profile. So screening interview, you will have the opportunity to bring life to your resume. Screening is the you have to tell me about yourself. Okay, so whatever you have written in the resume, you have to tell about that it should be relevant whatever you have written in the resume. So be ready to talk about your activities, work experience, and achievements. The focus of this interview is for us to understand your overall experience better. So whatever the initial call you will get, that is a in screening interview, means they will screen that how whatever you have written in your resume, you are relevant with that or not, whatever the qualification skill set you have written in the resume, they will check it out. Once they are giving you, they will call you for an screening interview. They will tell you, you have to tell about yourself. So you are marketing yourself by saying about yourself, about your work experience, achievements, and your projects done. The focus of this interview is for us to understand your overall experience better than your behavioral interview. You will be asked questions that will prompt you to tell a story about your past experiences prior to your interview. Think about some of your group projects, accomplishments, activities from which you can share a story. Keep in mind that the focus of this interview is on you and your accomplishments, not on the group's accomplishments. Case interview. Okay. Third type is case interview. So this, you will be given a situation in which you will be asked to prioritize, analyze, and ultimately draw conclusions and or recommendations. The focus of this interview is to explore your problem solving and analytical abilities. To learn more about case interviews, so you have to refer the management consulting case workbook. On occasion, these interviews may be conducted over the phone. It is important to treat the phone interview with the same importance and prepare as much as you can you would for an in-person interview. Preparing for the interview. The key to a successful interview is preparation. Keep in mind the following objectives when preparing for your interview. Know yourself. In order to know yourself, you must be able to do the following. Describe what you want in a career or employer. Identify your strengths and weaknesses. Identify your goals and objectives. Be prepared to discuss areas for development in a solution oriented manner. So these are the things you have to take care for going for, if you want to go through a successful interview. Okay, three cases: screening, behavioral interview, and the case interview. So you have to prepare yourself, that describe what you want in a career and identify your strengths and weaknesses, identify your goals and objectives. So before also I have discussed that first work on your strength and weaknesses and goals also. Write it down and practice for that. You have to do the marketing. If you got the opportunity to tell about yourself, so you got the opportunity to describe yourself, your skill set, your projects, your achievements. So jot down these things and practice this. Anytime you'll get a call for the interview. Okay, and next is, we have seen some are the these are the following human resources interview tips, like be prepared, location and punctuality, be professional, be polite, and be positive and be practical. Keep in mind that there is only one chance to make a first impression. So be positive. Every company wants employees who are goal oriented, career driven, enthusiastic, and motivated. Be the employee as they want. End the interview on a positive note. The hiring official needs to know that you are interested, enthusiastic, and excited about the position and the company. Be practical. If you are experienced, then the interviewer already knows your current salary and benefits package. When the topic of salary comes up, state that you know they will make a fair offer. If you are offered the position during the interviewing process and you want the job, then accept it. if the offer is not acceptable for any reason, ask for time to consider the offer. Okay, and these are the tips you have to do's. Okay, human resources interview tips do's: have a firm handshake, be sincere and direct, introduce yourself in a courteous manner, read company materials while you wait. You have to prepare for questions and listen carefully to the interviewer. Ask about the next step in the process. Thank the interviewer. Learn about the human resources analyst program and understand the different facets of human resources. You never know what the interviewer will ask you about. So be prepared to talk about anything you have included on your resume. You should be truthful about your experiences and skills. Human resources interview tips don't show depression or discouragement. Don't start the topics like salary, benefits, or working hours. Don't look at your watch. Don't take extensive notes. Don't be too serious. Follow up. Always write a thank you note immediately after the interview. If there are number of interviewers, then send a copy of thank you letter to each person. Summarize your qualifications and how they meet the expectations of the position. So this is about the HR interview tips you have to take care if you got the opportunity for the HR round. And these are the types of interview you have to face it: screening, behavioral, and the case interview. And you have to, for this interview, you have to do the preparation before going there. Okay, any more questions from your side? Anything you want to share? You want to add
No, no,
some
ma'am.
points?
Actually, everything has been covered.
Okay. Okay, so let us will read this. Okay, human resource interview tips, what you have to do, so that it will be in your mind when you got the opportunity for this HR interview. So one by
Yes,
one, very
ma'am.
quickly read this.
Human resource interview tips. Do's. Have a firm handshake. Be sincere and direct. Introduce yourself in a courteous
Courteous manner.
courteous
Courteous
manner.
manner.
Courteous manner. Read company materials while you wait. You have to prepare for questions and listen carefully to the interviewer. Ask about the next step in the process. Thank the interviewer. Learn about the human resource analysis program and understand the different facts of human resources. You never know what the
Facets.
interviewer
Facets.
packets. Okay, packets of human resources. You never know what the interviewer will ask you about. So be prepared to talk about anything you have included on your resume. You should be truthful about your experience and skills. Ma'am, what was that sentence?
Okay, don't.
In the yes, yes.
Courteous
Introduce
manner.
yourself.
Okay, courtesy.
Courteous.
Root word is courtesy. Means, yes, courteous
Curt-
is the root word is courtesy. Okay,
Okay.
courtesy, you are familiar, I think so. So means in very courtesy manner, you have to say, don't feel that he why he wants to know more about me, why I have to introduce myself. He knows about me from resume. So don't be like that. Don't feel
Okay.
that why should I give my introduction. Okay, so
It's
so
it's
be,
polite and pleasing behavior, ma'am. Like
yes,
the meaning
polite,
of
yes,
courteous.
yes,
Polite and pleasing behavior.
polite.
Polite
Yes,
and
pleasing.
pleasing
Okay.
behavior.
Yes, that's why I want to say. So
Like we have
courteous
to
means you
pronounce
have to be
as
polite
courteous.
and the pleasing
Courteous.
manner.
Okay.
And it
Okay.
shows our communication skill, ma'am, how we interact with persons.
Yeah, yeah.
Continue, brother.
don't take it as yes. Then next, you should understand, learn about the human resources analyst program and understand means what, how they work. We have seen that what they do, human resources people, what they do, they start with the recruitment process. They will train you, they will evaluate you, that is a appraisal. Based on the appraisal, they will promote you. So from the they are with you, HR people, from the starting of the journey till you will get the promotion, till, so they will be with you like a long term. So so you should know about what is the role of HR people, what they do actually. Based on that, we will keep our mindset like that only, then your behavior and your answers according to that. So prepare for that. So what is the program of HR, you should know. Why what is what they'll do. So what they'll do, they will start with the recruitment, then train, evaluate, then promote. So recruitment process is a, we have seen that these are the steps of recruitment. Okay, screening, behavior, interview, assessment, selection, interview, interview preparation, interview preparation, interview preparation, interview preparation,
Hello. I'm not able to hear voice.
Yes, I think there is a problem with the internet connection. We are unable to hear the ma'am's voice.
Yes, yes.
I think she has log off and she'll log in again. There's some
Okay.
technical.
I was worried that actually I was not able to hear. That's why.
No. Actually, it's of everybody is facing the same issue. I think
Okay.
she'll be back. Let's just let
Yeah.
us wait for a minute or two.
Sure, sure.
Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Walaikum salam.
Walaikum assalam.
Sorry for the interruption here. I don't have power, so that's the reason it got disconnected.
Yes, ma'am. No issue, ma'am. No problem.
I am
We are here,
audible.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. You're
Yes,
audible.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I am audible.
Yes, ma'am. You're audible,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yeah,
You can
ma'am.
go
We can
ahead.
hear, ma'am. We are audible, ma'am, for you? Excuse me.
Yes, ma'am. Go ahead, ma'am.
Excuse me. Hello.
Yeah, Mr. Amir, you can say. Hello.
Did Madam join today's session?
Yeah, we need to wait some time. Maybe she will connect once again. She have some technical issues. Can we wait for some time?
Okay, we can wait.
Okay.
Sir, I want to ask you something.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah. I can.
Audible, you are audible.
जी yes, सर ये जो सेशन होता है इस सेशन में तो वॉइस मोस्टली क्लियर होती है। इसके पहले जो सेशंस होता है उसमें थोड़ा सा साउंड डिफरेंट होता है वो मतलब अभी कुछ टाइम से ऐसा होने लगा है तो
Maybe
ये
this
क्या
issue from
टेक्निकली प्रॉब्लम है?
this issue from sir only.
ये जो प्रॉब्लम है वो किसके साथ है? सबके साथ में है?
Yeah.
यस सर सेम एज इट इज और सेम एज इट इज इन यूट्यूब वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग सर।
No, actually, from the
listen to
beginning
the-
onwards,
I listen to
like
some YouTube recordings. So same things are happening.
actually from the
before,
beginning of the server
before
class,
a week, I think.
there is
There is some voice distractions in server class especially.
Only
this.
server.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Only server class. So there was
Actually,
some
also I
problem
see
to
that.
understanding the topics, because especially for server classes to have point out small things. So how can I notice to these things because of the disturbance?
Okay, I noted this and we will try to resolve this problem. I will talk Mr. Memsat sir. I know
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
like this disturbance only in server administration classes. Also, I noticed that.
Yes, sir.
yes, yes. You usually the classes of ma'am are crystal clear. Her audio is crystal clear, like always. So there has been no problem with the ma'am classes, like audio and
Always, sir.
everything. It's perfect. Like today we can understand. It happens. It has happened a lot of times to us as well.
Well, now this time is a very crystal clear. Everyone class, everyone voice. I think this sessions, but in server class, sir have a disturbance.
We will wait 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I will clear to all of you about today's session.
Okay, sir.
Hello, gentlemen. Actually, now message has come in my WhatsApp.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir.
So this meeting will have to end here. That's why ma'am has problems, power problems.
Okay.
So
Okay.
cannot
No,
able
no,
to
no
see.
issue, sir.
Okay,
No,
okay.
no problem. No problem, sir.
We will see
No
tomorrow.
issues, sir.
inshallah.
We will continue tomorrow.
Yeah.
Chalo, sir. Thank you, sir, for the update. Thank you, sir.
Okay. You're welcome. Please. Thank you for your patience.
Welcome.
You are welcome, sir. Always. Thank you.
Welcome, sir. Thank you, sir. So we will continue tomorrow, no, sir?
Yeah. Right.
Okay.